Kiddies ahead. Learn the sight words. Set 2. Let's go. We. Me. My. Go. The. Up. Down. Can. Come. See. Let's read. I read and you repeat. We. Me. My. Go. The. Up. Down. Can. Come. See. Now let's put them in sentences. We like to play. We like to play. Can you see me? Can you see me? My cat is white. My cat is white. I go down the slide. I go down the slide. The balloon is up in the air. The balloon is up in the air. Come play with me. Come play with me. Practice time. You read and I'll repeat. We. Me. My. Go. The. Up. Down. Can. Come. See. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Kiddies Ahead.